In my video, we will show you the workflow for building a wing for the ENCANTO model. The kit contains all the basic parts for making the skeleton. It also includes a lot of additional jewelry to complete it. To work on the skeleton, we also need the following tools and glues. Second glue. 5-minute epoxy or 24-hour L285. Dispersion glue for wood. Sets of small and medium sanding files. Sandpaper. And a thin cutter. Part 1. Wing construction. Let's prepare all the parts for the wing. We will not slide ribs 2 to 12 onto the carbon tube yet. We will use the jig for precision offset ribs and at the end a drain edge made of balsa. We attach everything with instant glue. We use the preparation to properly seat rib 2 and glue it. We do the same for rib number 12. Pay attention to the correct application of the preparation. Glue the leading edge of balsa 5 by 5 mm. We grind the protruding carbon tube at the end of ribs 2 and 12. Cut a 20 cm length from the Kevlar thread in the accessories. We will also prepare aluminum pipes. We insert the aluminum pipes into the holes in ribs 2 to 6. Wrap the Kevlar thread on the tube as in the picture. Stick it with instant glue. We also wrap the tube with Kevlar at the other end between ribs 11 and 12. We will prepare a ballast tube. Insert the tube between ribs 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Stick with instant glue. We glue the aluminum tubes to the carbon tube with 5-minute epoxy, or 24-hour epoxy, L285. We glue the root rib number 1. We will prepare part B1. There is a notch in rib number 8, into which we glue part number B1, according to the plan. We will prepare part number P2. Between ribs number 7 and number 8, from the bottom, we glue part P2. The balsa part of the brake flap is glued to the desired place from the upper side of the wing. We glue the parts with the number P1 to the desired position according to the plan. We glue the balsa rings from the brake shields to the marked place on the plywood counterpart. We glue these parts into the brake recess according to the marking. The brake flap must be flush with the inner part. We glue the half ribs according to the plan. We cut off the excess material with a wood saw. Sand with sandpaper. With the template for the shape of the leading edge of the wing, we will sand the exact shape. Let's prepare the other parts for the second part of the wing half. We proceed similarly to the first part. We move the ribs onto the carbon tube and use the preparation for the correct size. We will also fit the drain edge from balsa. We place rib number 13 exactly at an angle with a tool that is the same as rib number 12. We glue the leading edge of 5 by 5 mm balsa. Wrap the Kevlar thread between the ribs number 13 and 14 on the tube, as in the picture. Stick it with a second glue. Next we continue by gluing the end arch and the other half ribs according to the plan. Again, using the template for the shape of the leading edge of the wing, we grind the exact shape. Between ribs 2 and 3 we fill the space with the supplied 1 mm balsa sheet. from the top and bottom. To connect the two already made parts of the half of the wing, we will use two fiberglass connectors, which we will stick into the carbon tube of one and the other part of the wing and glue together. This was the basic procedure for building the wing. But the kit is intended for advanced builders. If you have any questions or doubts about the construction, contact technical support.